Yes, good morning to all. My name is Chandra Sen, and today we'll discuss to the TY become business economics. Right. In the last lecture, we started to the module number 3. Under the module number 3, we are trying to understand disinvestment policies in India. In that lecture, I already show you Arun Shauri is the first disinvestment minister who explain how the policies in India and how importance to the disinvestment to our state. Okay, now we continue the same topic today. See on my share screen. So that is in India, that is public sector companies, and it mean refers corporation company that is owned by government, such as a company where is a union government or state government or any territorial government owns share 51% or more, is mostly regarded as a company belonging the public sector, and that come to the central public sector in India. Clear, state level public enterprises, right? There is comes to the problems faced by in India public sector monitoring losses. There are the losses to government from such projects. There is a less profitability the government, administrative problems faced to government also, problems related to the manpower, underutilization capacities. Many time government have not full-fledged used planning and project execution, pricing policies, technical gap, government interference, heavy social cost, surplus manpower, external factors, and operational and managerial inadequate. Yes, these all are shows the problems faced by the public sector. Right. From yesterday lecture, we learn what is meant by disinvestment and all. Right. So these are the problems. So my question is, I asked to you here that problems faced by the public sector, and I asked to the simple question to you, why not come to same problem to Russia? रशियामध्ये सुद्धा बरेचसे प्रायव्हेटच प्रोजेक्ट आहेत ना, सॉरी पब्लिकचे, मग त्यांना हा प्रॉब्लेम काय येत नाही? का जास्त येतोय हा प्रॉब्लेम? बोला. Yes, please. Hello, my students. काय सांगाल? Not proper planning. Okay. बर, अजून? तो प्रॉब्लेम आहेच कायम इंडिया की एक लक्षात घ्या, इंडियामध्ये जशी डेमोक्रॅसी आहे तसे रशियामध्ये डेमोक्रेसी आहे, पण सोशलिझम आहे तिथे. बाबा, देर इज अ मेजॉरिटी गव्हर्नमेंट आर द डॉमिनंट. रशियाचे जे प्रेसिडेंट नाहीत का ते व्लादिमीर पुतीन, इज द व्हॉट वी से दॅट, थोडेसे डॉमिनंट आहे, म्हणजे वन साइडेड डिसिजन ते घेतात. ऍडव्हान्टेज डिसएडव्हान्टेज आहेतच त्याचे म्हणा, पण इन रशिया देअर आर द कम द सेम प्रॉब्लेम्स, बट नॉट लाईक इंडिया. जसे इंडियामध्ये आहेत तसे तेवढे नाही आहेत, आणि रशिया अजून तरी पब्लिक सेक्टरचे प्रोजेक्ट चांगले हँडल करतोय. क्लिअर. सो दॅट ऑल आर द प्रॉब्लेम्स इन रशिया. ओके, नाव ऍक्च्युअल वी सी द. आता हे सगळं अजून इंट्रोडक्टरी मध्येच होतो आपण एवढ्या वेळ. Now we see the actually what is meant by disinvestment. Clear. Disinvestment refers to use of a concentrate economic boycotts to pressure a government, industry or company towards a change in policy, or in case of government, even regime change. So what is mean by disinvestment? In short, where government run the project that refers to use of concentrated economic boycott to pressure a government industries. Clear. The government when start the project, they are after some duration leave from their project, boycott. See there that disinvestment refers to concentrated economic boycott to pressure a government, industry or company towards change in policies, or in the case of governments. Here. So in short, here government whatever have take the decisions and all that implement the policies, right, or take some initiative for the implementation, the governments they invest in that project, government, industry or pressure of government, industry or towards a change in policies, or in the case of governments even regime the change. Clear. So this is called in short disinvestment. त्यालाच आपण थोडक्यात disinvestment म्हणतो. Clear. So I think I am today stop here because I have next lecture. 8:34 मी लेक्चर स्टार्ट केलं होतं. Clear. 45 minutes is complete and means on Wednesday 9 o'clock we continue the same topic. Clear. Type name in your chat box. We meet on Wednesday. Have a nice day. Bye. See you.